Have you ever had the problem of a droop in your poop hose? We're going to show you our solution for that problem. There are 3 different scenarios we're going to talk about today. I have this piece of timber here that makes it so that I can't get my expando support to be stable. That's one scenario. The second scenario is if this part is very, very close to the ground, and then the other scenario is if this is way high. So here's the solution I came up with. I got a PVC rain gutter, and I cut, because it was 10 feet long, the motorhome's only 8 feet, I cut it in 2 pieces, one 8-foot and one 2-foot. I use these to help support the hose. So with this timber situation, I'm going to use just this short section that goes from these things here, and I'm going to use my 4x4 block that should get it up to the right height. You can adjust it with little pieces of wood, 4x4 or 2x4, whatever works for your situation, but it will make a nice even flow for your for the waste hose. Okay, so I've got the hose set up. See, I use my supports on this part, and then I use the gutter on this section. And you'll also notice because the hose can expand, I put all the part that is contracted at this end here, because I found that works better for me. So for the second scenario, sometimes the connector is very, very close. It's like almost even with the ground. The sidewinder is too high, and the inlet here is way short, and so you get a kink in the hose. And so in order to support that better and make the flow easier, what I do is I'll just put this gutter straight on the ground, and then this end will just go right up on the sidewinder, and it will create a nice even slope down towards the inlet. The problem we have at this particular site, because this is so much higher, it comes down, has a nice slope coming down, and if this was lower, it would be perfect. I could just have this go right in and it'd be fine. As it is, this hose here, because of it goes up, there's going to be water that's left inside this hose, and it becomes a real pain to get it emptied. You have to sort of lift it up and let the water flow down, and it just becomes a pain. Here's the solution in place. You can see I've got the rain gutter. I have it supported by my collapsible things. You don't necessarily have to do that. I had it spread out already. You could use 2x4s or 4x4s to just hold up the ends, but it makes it solid, so you can see that the slope on it is consistent. The rain gutter costs between $5 and $10 for a 10-foot piece, and I got it. You can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, any of those kind of stores, probably Ace. And because the motorhome's only 8 feet wide, I cut it at 8 feet. So I have 2 pieces actually. You can see here, I got one piece that's 8 foot and another piece that's 2 foot. So this is our wet bay area, and you can see there's no way to store it here because the tanks are right behind here. They fill up all the space. My plan is that right here, I've got a nice clear shot all the way down, and I'm just gonna take this and put it in place. You'll notice that I don't have any weight on top of this, and the reason is I've actually, if you look at my connector here, it will screw directly into this pipe. It fits both 3-inch and 4-inch. And when I can screw it in, I don't need a weight because that holds it tight. But sometimes there's either no threads, it's an odd size or something, and so I'll just have to slip it in, and then I'll put a weight on it so that it will hold it in place. So that's our solution for making sure the poop keeps running downhill.
So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
If you like this video, give us the thumbs up and ring the bell to get notified.
You bet. And until next time, Restless Friends, you take care.
Bye.